Hey guys, welcome to KK's Art Studio, where we'll be drawing everything under the sun, from animals to cartoons. So I was thinking, now that Halloween's over and other holidays are coming, like Thanksgiving, maybe we could draw a turkey. So come join me. Alright guys, let's get started. So the first thing we want to draw is the head of the turkey. The head of the turkey could be a round circle, could look like an oval, doesn't really have to be perfect. So we're just going to start on the head. So we get that. Wow. Okay, that's the head. I did more of an oval, I guess. The next thing we're going to do is the body. So the body is going to be similar to the letter U. So we're going to do a U-shaped body.
Great!
That's the body of the turkey, okay? Next thing we could do is the feet. So the feet, we're going to do like little squiggles at the bottom, or little loops. So we'll go down, in for the toe, in for the toe, and then we have another toe. A little more than halfway of the body. So we'll go down here, go out a little bit, and then loop it in. That's one arm. Same thing on this side. We go down a little bit, out, and then loop it in. Two arms. So here, we're gonna go up, loop it out like this, do it again, and connect. Yeah! Kind of looks like an F. So that's the hair of the turkey. Next step that we could do is the feathers around the head of the turkey. So we're gonna go all around the head of the turkey, full head of feathers. That's one. We're just gonna go all around. And there's no exact amount that needs to go around, just a whole bunch of feathers around the head. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect, obviously, but we're just gonna try to copy it. So I have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Probably start here. All right, so we have the feathers all around the head of the turkey. Next thing we could draw in is his little beak. So we have a beak, and the beak is gonna be shaped almost like a triangle, but just a little more rounded. So I'll show you what I mean by that. Looks very similar to a triangle. Alrighty, so after the nose, what we're gonna do is we're gonna attach the wattle. So the wattle is like the extra skin we typically see on the turkey neck, but we're just gonna attach it here to the nose. So we have a wattle. Next thing we're gonna draw are the eyes of the turkey. So we're gonna try to center it so they're evenly spread out, and we're just gonna do a circle, just 2 circles. Here's one eye, and then we're gonna do another one right over here. The eyes of the turkey, we're gonna make just little pupils, so we're gonna draw little circles in here. We have one eye. We're gonna copy the same thing on this side, so we'll draw 2 little circles. And we got the eyes of the turkey. Next part that we're gonna add are little eyebrows. So almost like a check. Come around, looks similar to like a banana shape almost. So we'll go out, come up a little bit, and then we have eyebrows.
That's so cool.
There we go. That's how the turkey was gonna look, and we're just gonna add little details now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add almost like stripes. They're gonna be layers for the feathers. So I'll add 3 of them. And I'm just gonna go around and add it on each feather. So
That's nice.
could do this. You could add 1, you could add 2, you could add 3. This is really up to you guys, however you guys want to draw the turkey. I'm just gonna do 3 because I chose some colors that I want to add to this.
Amazing!
I'll just go around and move this a little bit. There's 1, 2, and 3. So there we go. Now the final step is to color in the turkey. So I chose some colors already. You could pretty much choose any color you really want to draw in the turkey, but I chose a little bit more traditional colors. So I'm gonna start with this. So this is gonna be the base of my turkey color. And I'll just shade it in. Now we have the head colored in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna match the head with the arms and the feet. So we'll do the arms the same. We'll do the feet the same as well. And then we're just gonna go a little lighter on the bellies. Do this for the belly. Right, next color we're gonna use is a little lighter brown than the face. We're gonna do that for the feathers of the head.
Fantastic!
So I'm gonna go in with this brown. And then I'm just gonna do it to all the feathers.
Great!
We could just try our best in staying in the lines. It's alright if we mess up a little bit. It's not a big deal. But since we drew an outline, it's kind of easy to stay inside. So just color in as much as you can. You could go back. If you see a little spot that's missing a little bit of color. I'm gonna color the wattle red. So I'm gonna go in with the red. Ooh,
That's nice.
Red. And there we have the wattle. And I actually think I'm gonna color the hair the same color, so. Look at that. I think I'm gonna do his beak orange. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little detail to his eyes. So I'm gonna make this part blue so it sticks out a bit. Just dark brown for his eyes. Look at our turkey. Okay, and then for the feathers, I'm also gonna use these 3 colors, which are typically the colors of a turkey. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with red. Do orange. And then I'll do yellow. The turkey's coming along, so I'm just gonna continue to do that all through the feathers. And if you want, you can mix and match. Let's say this time, I'm gonna start with orange. Then I'm gonna do red. And then I'll do yellow again. You could switch it up, you could keep the same. It's really up to you guys. So let's do yellow here.
Wow!
And then I'll do red here. and then orange. And then I'm just gonna continue that all the way through the turkey. So let's do that. So here we go, guys. Here's the final look. Here's our Thanksgiving turkey. Very colorful, very cute, and he's happy. Okay? Happy Thanksgiving. Gobble gobble. Thank you for watching, guys.